this is Ali from Price Fashions, and today I'll be going to show you some hand ari work, kalamkari painting and some cutwork sarees are also there. So before I start, I will request my viewers to please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, so whenever you upload the videos you will get the notification. So let's display the saree. This is the side number 1. As you can see, the base color is navy blue. It's a deep navy blue, and this is all hand ari work. I'll just show you the closer view of this work. So this is full hand ari work. It's a pita zari. As you can see, it's all filled up with the thread and ari zari, and all over body it's a dense mica work. So how it will look? So the design will come from pallu till shoulder. So this is the pallu. This is the design, and one design which comes with the pleats. I'll just show. So this is the one design which comes with the pleats. So this is the all over look of the saree, and this is the design, and the pallu blouse is there. So this is the BP. So this is the blouse piece comes with the saree. So this is the side number 2, and the base color is a lemon yellow, and the design is everything is same. So these are all pure tussar. So this is the pallu of the saree, and this is the work. So just see the pallu of the saree, and again one design which comes with the pleats. So this is the design which comes with the pleats, and all over body dense mirror work, and blouse piece is there. So this is the BP comes in the saree. So this is the side number 3, and it's a fusion saree. As you can see, the it's a shibori tie and dye. Then we have done a kantha work. So it's a fusion kantha with the shibori. So the combination, as you can see, it's a red. It's a deep red with the black. So it's a zari border tussar. So this is the pallu of the saree, and this is the all over look. I'll show you the closer view of this one. So this is full kantha work in a round shape, and the pallu is there. So this is the pallu. This is all over, and blouse piece is there. So this is the BP comes with the saree. This is the same design in different combination. Everything is same. So just the base color is only changed. It's a red with the pink with the same design. So it's a shibori with kantha. So just have a look. So this is the pallu of the saree, and this is the all over look. I'll show you the closer view. So this is the all over look. Pallu is there, and BP. So this is the blouse piece comes with the saree. So this is the kalamkari hand painting. As you can see, it's a pure tussar, and just see the color combination. So this here peacock will come to the pallu, and one comes to the pleats. So I'll just show. So just see the pallu. So this is the pallu of the saree, and this is the all over, and one peacock design which comes to the pleats. How it will look, I'll just show. This is the pleats. As you can see, one peacock design which comes with the pleats. Color is there, and just see the BP. So this is the blouse piece with the design. So this is the blouse piece comes with the saree. More kalamkari hand painting in a different combination. So design is also different. So just have a look. See the color combination and the shading. It's a very pretty one. So this is the pallu of the saree, and this is the all over look. This is the all over look of the saree. Pallu is there, and blouse piece is contrast. So this is the BP comes with the saree. So another kalamkari hand painting in a different combination. So this time the base color is denim blue with the hand painting and the batik effect, as you can see on the pallu. So the feather is a batik effect, and the peacock is a typically hand painting, and all over it's a floral design. So the design is so nice. It's very artistic. So just see the pallu of the saree, and this is the design. The base color is denim blue with the red piping. Just see the pallu is very pretty. It's very beautiful, and the blouse. So this is a BP consider sari. This is a zari border tussar with the hand kalamkari. So this time only the single color we have used. It's a steel grey with the black outline. So just see the pallu. It's a very artistic painting. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the all over look. This is a very pretty, very classy one. The painting is so nice. And the blouse piece is there. So this is a BP. So this is a BP consider sari. So this is another hand painting, and it's a only leaf motif is there with the shaded, as you can see, it's a rani to pink and peach. So this is a very simple and very classy sari. So just see the pallu of the sari. There is no separate pallu. Actually, it's all over. It's all over. So this is the all over look of the sari. See the design. And blouse piece is there. So this is a BP consider sari. This is another hand painting, and it's a combination. As you can see, it's a red and it's a deep navy blue is there on the pallu, and a wax sprinkle effect. And this design, just see the color shading which comes with the skirt. This is the design. This is the pallu of the sari, and this is the design. I'll show you the closer view of this painting. So this is a painting which comes with a skirt, and all over body it's a wax sprinkled effect is there, and blouse piece. So this is the BP consider sari. Let's move to the cutwork sari. So this is a kalamkari paint print. It's a kalamkari print with the pallu cutwork, and there is no peacock motif. So it's only floral design. It's a multicolor leaf, and the base color is a deep navy blue, and all over body there is a mica work in between the design. So this is a very pretty one. Just see the color. This is the pallu of the sari, and this is the all over look. I'll show you the closer view. So this is the and the palla is there, and this is the BP. One more kalamkari print, this time with the peacock motif is there. So this is the grey and mustard yellow, the base color, with the peach, pink and grey is there. And as you can see, the feather we have highlighted with the mica work. So this goes all over. So just see the pallu of the sari, and this is all over. I'll show you the closer view. This is a pallu, and BP is there. So this is a blouse piece. So this is another sari, and it's a 3D dye. Then we have done a print and then cut work. So as you can see, the color combination, so from mustard yellow, then lemon yellow, and the light creamish yellow. So this is the 3D dye, and then it's a leaf design, and all over as you can see the mica work. So this is a very pretty one and very nice concept, 3D dye with the print. So this is the all over look. I'll just show you the closer view. Just see. And the palla is there. So this is the pallu and blouse piece. So this is the BP consider sari. The last sari of this episode, and again the 3D dye in a different combination. So this time it's a pastel green, lemon yellow and pink. So this is the combination, and then we have done a print all over. It's a paisley design all over, and in between the design we have highlighted with a mica work, and pallu is fully cut work. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the all over look. I'll just show you the detailing of this print. It's a paisley So this is the all over look. Palla is there and blouse piece. So this is a BP comes with the sari. So thank you so much for watching and joining, and it's a request to my viewers to please subscribe the channel to get updates of our new collections. Please share the video so we can reach out more people, and COD facilities available only in central Kolkata. For other states you have to do bank transfer, Google Pay, Phone Pay. We also accept resellers and wholesalers can join. Please WhatsApp, our number is flashing on the screen. So thank you so much and keep share the video.